Tango down, tango down!
Hey y'all, Grubandtherangerz here and welcome back. And today we have some more gameplay from Check Six Airsoft outside of Utica, New York. Today's gameplay is going to be a round of TDM with a Juggernaut dropped in the mix. The Juggernaut has a metal plate on his chest, and if it's hit, he's out for 15 seconds. Whoever can tap him in 15 seconds, he'll change to that team's side, which really helps with the movement and the flow of the game. So without further ado, let's get right into this gameplay.
These gloves don't let me.
No, I just gave it a little bit. See where that's at. Alright, let me see it. I'm gonna just crank that bitch up. What'd he say?
I said you guys that. Starting.
Shit. Camera. Ugh. Both cameras going. I don't know where the fuck I'm going, but I'm going. Oh, Juggernaut's right there in the middle. What? Suppress them and I'll keep moving up. They're moving hard left. Fuck off! Fuck off, Juggernaut! Ah.
14.
It delayed. That was such a rip. God, that was so close. That scared the fuck out of me, dude. Oh, hit! You see somebody? Where are we looking at? I'm shooting at him. Got him. Backing off to cover. He's about to get tapped. We got a guy, they're moving through the brush in front of us. Okay. Who's that?
Yeah, he's facing that direction.
All right. Trying not to get hit by paintballs. Do you see him down there? Huh? Do you see him? Oh, hey, camper. Come on, dude. I'm not reaching them. Got one. They go down. Hey, they're watching you come over here, watch out. They're just slightly out of my range. I'm just worried about them coming around that camper. Just be careful. They're at such a range, I can't tell if I'm reaching them or not. Oh, he's looking over here. Hey, I got one on the right side of the camper. Damn, these bitches are going sky high. Hey, you're hard left, like parallel to you. Yeah. You see where he's at? You see where he's at? They're pushing up to that left side pretty hard. He's hitting us, but I can't see him.